guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we've got baby boneheads for you today. This is the exact same pattern as our regular boneheads, only reduced. And let me tell you, this pattern really likes to shrink up, roll up in the water, so they are pretty small. I'd say smaller, well, not as wide as a quarter, but height-wise they're about the same as a quarter. And again, that is the same pattern as our regular boneheads, just reduced. Black and transparent, so about any base coat color you want, other than black, obviously. You could go as dark as charcoal metallic if you want a really, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Really subtle appearance. We are using Hydrographics Activator. Hopefully it expands for me here, because